Are you visiting Portugal and don't want to spend time and burn brain cells to learn Portuguese? Does even a phrasebook look too daunting? Well then, you could always speak English. Or if you still want to be able to say things in Portuguese, here is a very short list of 7 things you will need to say when visiting Portugal. 1. Olá. This is the Portuguese hello. Say it when you want people to like you right away. 2. Obrigado. If someone gave you something or did something for you, say thank you with this Portuguese word. It changes to obrigada when said by a woman, but because we love swallowing the last syllable of words, no one will notice if you don't follow the rule. 3. Por favor. This is the other part of being polite in any language. Please use it. 4. Uma. Say this before the word for anything you might want and watch as it is magically brought to you. The difference between the two versions of the word is that some words in Portuguese are masculine and others are feminine. But if you're watching this video non-ironically, you won't care about that. 5. Onde fica? This allows you to ask where things are. Your hotel, that restaurant you read about, the Acropolis. Ask and you will get there in no time. Except for the Acropolis because that's in Greece. 6. Quanto é, or how much, is the only thing you need to say when you want to know how much to pay for something. Do your best to pay for things. It is polite and friendly. You'll notice that people will stop liking if you don't pay, even if you started with Olá. 7. Buenos dias. Yeah, this is some next level Portuguese speaking. Well, not so much next level as it is next country, because it is actually Spanish, or it would be without the obvious mistake. I could tell you to say bom dia instead, but it doesn't really matter, does it? You'll still get pastéis de nata to put on Instagram next to an emoji of the Portuguese flag. Por favor, subscrevam o canal, façam um like e ajudem-me a alimentar este ornitorrinco. Também dou aulas no italki e vendo material para aprender português. Os links estão na descrição. Não querem que o bicho passe fome, pois não?